Hello everyone, so like everyone else, we've decided to buy a diesel heater. Now we got it off of eBay, I think it cost us £109, and this is the 8 kilowatt version. So, but Roddy's went and adapted it. So, if you look at the picture, the panel's usually there, but Roddy extended it with some extra cable. So we have now got our panel up there, and it's through this you can check your temperature, your consumption of fuel, put in your settings and everything else like that. There you go. So it works really well at this angle, because see when it's actually on the machine low down, you can't see it. It dilutes the panel when you look at it for a top on angle. Anyway, so to be honest, we're quite impressed with this little machine. Last week we started using it and it was -12 outside, and in this garage, because we've also got central heat, we managed to get up to what temperature, Roddy? 18? 16 to 18, because usually just with these radiators here we'd only manage to get about 13, 14, and they're putting out a fair heat rate of 50, and that's not really warmed right up. But we felt when we put this on, it really topped up the whole, it raised us to about 3 or 4 degrees. So today we're at plus 10 degrees here, and it's February. And standing at this thing here now, I think it's got an outlet about 70, but it says 74. That's right. So we're at its absolute lowest setting. Is that right, Roddy? So we're at 1.2. Right, Roddy, will you show us how you get this set? So this speeds up the pump. So we're at 1.9. So that's no its lowest setting. So that's actually the hertz of the pump. So that's the very lowest. So I'll let you hear the pump. If you hear that click noise, that's the frequency of the pump. So it's pumping one, so that must be, it pumps just over a second. One pump just over a second. So, at that rate, we're burning 0.1 litres of diesel. So, it would take you 10 hours to burn 1 litre of diesel. But we can also put it up to the very top rate, which is it 5.4? That's us. And you hear the pump? There, so it's getting faster, and it speeds up the airflow, and you still maintain your 78, 80 degrees here. There you go. Oh, it's actually getting a bit warmer, Roddy, yeah? 80 degrees. But at that, the diesels, it's consuming a lot more diesel. That's your tank level there. Alright, so at that rate we're consuming 0.24, a quarter of a litre of diesel an hour. So within 4 hours we would burn a litre. But what the benefit of this thing is, see when you just stand in this area, oh, it's a lovely heat. And it's lovely and clean. With this one we also got a little silencer here. And we've just piped it right through, and it's the emissions off this is clean. It's very clean. I'll show you where the pipe comes out, but that's it pouring diesel in at the moment, but it's burning a quarter litre an hour, but we don't want to do that. That's burning our own money. We're no into that. So I'll show you the little exhaust outside. There you go there. No black smoke at all. So for £108, highly recommended. So the idea was you can actually time this to come on in the morning, so it can be warm. So within the next few weeks we'll probably not even bother the normal central heating. We'll just use this little thing just to build the temperature up. You also run it off a car battery, and Roddy's got an old charger up here. It keeps that topped up. But that's right. So put that off again. There's the voltage of the battery there. Now they tell you you're better to run it off a battery, because you do not, if the power fails, you don't want, I think that can damage the heater. It stops the pump and stops everything else. It stops it from cooling down, so you don't want that. So you're always, rather than running a direct 12 volts to the thing, you're better to charge the battery and put it through the battery. It's more a safety measure. Anyway, if I have anything else to add, I'll come back, but brilliant.